Greetings folks, and welcome back to my Sweden Beach Adventures 2026 after a week of pause due to my travel to Cyprus. And even though I miss Cyprus a bit, mostly the Mediterranean Sea, I just can't compare it to this beautiful natural beauty of Sweden. And one of my favorite go-to spots, this one right here, Ekudden, nudist beach spot in the Flaten Nature Reserve on the same named lake. And if you have been watching the previous episodes from this lake like 10 days ago, you would have seen that the most parts of the lake was frozen. But now it is completely unfrozen, completely flowing, and the color of the water is so amazing as it is so clean and so fresh. One of the cleanest lakes in Stockholm actually. And we continue with the beach adventures, and here is my bike that I missed a bit, and 8 kilometers ride to get here in 20 minutes in this beautiful natural spot. I'm just wondering how warm it is in the water. We're gonna measure that in a bit as I'm showing you around here. Let's see here if it is clean as well on this end. Yep, that's right. It's beautiful even here. 10 degrees Celsius in the air, same as when I left. And sun is up all day long today, and the same will be tomorrow, so maybe I'm gonna head to the sea tomorrow. Let's see. Yes, so nude beach spot here in the forest, and there are several spots like this around the lake for sure. Off with the thermometer we go, as I'm showing you how clean and clear the Lake Flaten is on this last day of March, 31st of March that is. Currently it is 1:30 p.m. and I'm guessing it will be around 6 degrees Celsius in the lake, as it was around 5 when I left. And I realized that I forgot to take a towel with me, so it's gonna be a bit cold when I go out, but it is what it is. And I was completely right. This is not a setup. I didn't measure earlier. It's 6 degrees Celsius in the water. And what's so good about this place currently is that there is no wind over here, as it is protected by the forest. When I was cycling, I had a bit of headwind, but here I usually enjoy in peace and quiet, and even though it's 10 degrees in the air, on the sun it feels like a bit warmer than that. So let's get going and enjoy for the very first time in Lake Flaten that is unfrozen this year, 2026. Look at that, it's brilliant. Soon there's gonna be lots of plants here that will be growing, so it will be a bit more difficult to enjoy in full, but it's gonna take a while, I think, as still the water is cold, the vegetation is not growing yet. So yes, I hope you missed my Sweden beach adventures. We're gonna go someplace else tomorrow probably, and let's then enjoy a quick dip here in Lake Flaten, as I got used to the hot sea in Cyprus for a week. Okay, so let's go. Ready, set, and go. A lot more, a lot colder than Cyprus for sure, but refreshing, most definitely. So that is a wrap for this beach adventure from Lake Flaten and Ekudden, this nudist beach spot. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and I'm gonna definitely see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!